Somebody's just asked me my opinion on WTI, so thought I'd put this into a video. We've got some interesting price action. Big bullish trend here, and then it's shifting gears on the weekly time frame. So now we have these this lower low here. Okay, so we've got the shift in this bullish trend now, bearish. This break of structure here, a lower low here, lower high. So let's just mark up some of these price swings. We've got this one, that, and at the moment there. All right, so we'll just have a look at this on the lower time frame. Okay, so I quite like this move here. Now here's the thing, where are they targeting? Well, look guys, it's going to be the base of this price swing. That's a target. Absolutely, that's a target. So that's one thing. Now if we were to consider this a bullish idea, given that we've got this and now a pullback, here's something to think about. We'll grab the fib. We're going to go from low to high. See the 61.8 fib zone? There is an ideal entry long. It would have to touch that. I wouldn't really be interested jumping in any earlier. That would get me in with a buy. And that would make sense. Okay, so we've got this price swing, high to low, high, low, and then, okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense to me. So I think there's still some downside. If you want to short it, be careful. Let's just have a look at it on the daily time frame with these drawings. But I don't want to be distracting either, so let's just take that out. We're just going to take a quick break and a plug for my YouTube channel. I'm trying to build my channel. If you're gaining any value whatsoever out of the video, it would be amazing if you give me a thumbs up and comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, with that, hope you have a great day, and let's get back to the video. Break of structure. Okay, daily. See this range down here? So this is big liquidity, guys. This is a accumulation range prior to this run. Pull back down into it. Now we've got this lower high, lower low. Again, when I look at this, I'm definitely going to be looking for a move down into this level here. So, I mean, do you want to short it? I don't want to short it at this level. See how it's overextended? So if I'm going to counter trend this, it's going to be something like, and again, I'm going to pull these price swings. So I'm going to go, look, consider this, high to low, high to wherever that lands. If I'm going to sell, it's going to have to be up in here. If I'm going to go short, always going to grab a fib. Maybe that's a thing. 61.8, right? There's a potential sell idea. Stop above the high, Bob's your uncle. Now a buy idea, well, it's going to be down in here. Absolutely. Because what we're looking at, well, you know, we've got this big swing here. That would be where I would get long. But you're going to go against that. And we've got this break of structure bearish. All right, so you need to be very, very careful. Again, I mean, look, I could throw that short in there for reference. So that's my short idea. And then if I'm going to buy, it's going to have to be down in here. So a long position, 61.8. Where's, okay, see here, these lows, that's a target. Stop loss under here. There's a buy idea and a sell idea. Okay, playing around with this this trend on the weekly and the daily. Okay, guys, that's my take on US oil at the moment. In fact, what we'll do, yeah, do something like that. Make sure you comment if you have any ideas about this. If you've got any feedback, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Always good to share ideas. And yeah, with that, click the link below, check out our free Telegram, and hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.